Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a lovely back fold card with the little monkeys bundle. So this is how it opens. Isn't that cute? It's a little different. So let's get started. I used the little monkey stamp set bundle. So that includes the punch. Let me show you the punch. Looks like this. So it does the monkey, the face, I think that's an ear, and then the banana also. So we'll be using that today. These are the pieces that you'll need. So a piece of basic white 5.5 by 7.5 scored at 3 1/4 and 6.5. A cardstock 2 embossed 3 1/8 by 5 3/8. A piece of DSP 7/8 by 5. I used I think it was the Daisy DSP, and then I use the Nested Essentials, Nested Essentials dies, and they look like this. You get 4 of each design, and I use the second largest of the banner one. Let me get my labels out of the way. Alright, so 2 scores here. Here's the funny part. You're going to go ahead and fold this one just like you normally do for a card. But this one you're going to fold this way. But you're not going to leave it folded. You're going to bring it back because that's what the part that opens like that. This one we're going to emboss, and I use the fern folder with the magic of television. I already have it done. So that is, and I'm going to bring in the Stampin'. See, I put a T on the top to remind me where to return it. Put some adhesive here. And this one goes right in the front left of the card. Here. I've been liking the thinner frames. I usually leave about 1/4 inch, but I like the thinner ones. That's what I've been doing lately. On the back of this DSP, we'll go ahead and center it here. Alright. Let's go ahead and ink the sentiment. Just swinging by to say hi. And lemon lime twist. Then we'll ink up the monkey. Cute. This is the key, is to stamp it so you have a little extra, or you can use a Post-it to help you move this along. To line it up. Let's see. Gotta be careful of the arms and the tail. I think that's it. Let's see how I did. I think I did okay. Alright, then we're going to take a piece of basic white and, oops, let's go ahead and use the decorative circle. I'm going to bring back the lemon lime twist again and randomly stamp the circle. I just went around it. You can do any randomness if you'd like. Let's put some dimensionals on the back of the banner and the back of the monkey. I think I'll use a mini one for the tail, or maybe the ears, so they won't dip down a little bit. So that goes on top of the circle. Alright, so I'm going to do this. Careful thinking. Alright, so you're going to have to attach it here. But again, you only want to attach it on this side. So I want to make sure this is where I want it. And then I'll only put adhesive on this side. Like that. And then that's it. And then the T for top, so I know to put that back. And here you go, the back fold for little monkey. And it goes like this. Perfect for a message. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like these video tutorials, please like, subscribe, and share on my YouTube channel. And thanks for letting me share this with you. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.